everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build your own AI customer journey mapper. This AI agent will help you see the full path your customers take and plan the right message, content or action for every step along the way. This is the prompt I will use. What I need is an AI agent that helps me map complete customer journey for marketing strategy and campaign planning. The agent should analyze the business, target audience and others. Okay, for each stage, the agent must describe customer goals, emotion, possible barriers, and the type of content or message. Then it should also suggest practical touch points and marketing actions for each phase, and the final output should be structured, clear, and ready to use. Let's see. So now our assistant is ready. Let's see what it can do. First of all, here is the chat section. Now let's take a look at the settings. We have the name of the assistant, the description, the AI model which was automatically selected. You can select another one from the ones available on the platform based on your needs, and the AI assistant instructions, which are more complex than the prompt that I have used before, and you can also change this one if you'd like, and the visibility, private or public. Now let's go back. This is the prompt that I have prepared. So I need a customer journey for a social media agency targeting small business owners. The agent should include awareness, consideration, conversion, and retention stages with touch points, content ideas, and key emotions, and it should be formatted as a clear table. Let's try it. So now the map is ready. First of all, we have business overview and analysis. We have the industry, business model, target audience, key value proposition, and journey complexity. And this is the table that I have asked for. We have all the stages, and then timeline, customer goals, emotional state for each one of the stages, key barriers that are different for each one, then content strategy, some content examples you can use, messaging focus, touch points that matches each one of the stages, some marketing actions, and success metrics. Okay, then we have implementation framework. For example, in phase 1 we have to launch a lead magnet, to start content engine, and set up email sequences and others. Then the phase 2, basically the foundation building. Okay, and phase 3, optimization after you completed the first 2 phases. And key strategic recommendation, critical success factors. Of course, social proof is very important. Okay, be accessible, educate, budget allocation, and timeline expectations. Okay, so these are all the steps you have to follow, and now you'll have a complete customer journey map with clear stages, pain points, and content ideas to move people from first click to loyal customers. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on different marketing use cases.